Let's go and make a capybara paintbrush holder or a pencil holder. To get started, we're going to use some Sculpey air dry clay. Now I absolutely love using this type of clay because it's easy to go and mold, along with also too you can go and use some water just to get it a little bit softer to go and mold. Now this is pretty hard because this is a bit older and I accidentally left the bag that it was in kind of open a little bit, but that is not a problem. Before it fully dries you can easily mold this. So we're going to go and dip this into a little bit of water. Then we're going to go and take this and fold this a couple of times over into itself until all of this has been worked fully. And now you are going to go and put this into a ball. It should be oval in shape, and this is going to be the body for a capybara. Now let's go and choose an end that we're going to go and shape for the head. So let's slowly go and pull this up. We don't want to pull it up too far, just only slightly lift it. So it should look like this. And after you have this general shape of the head, we're going to go and put an indent for the back of where this is going to go and sit with pens, pencils, or art supplies. That looks just about good. Let's go and put something onto there to make sure it rests well. Perfect. Now we're going to go and continue to go and just shape this out. Then we're going to go and smooth it a little bit. This clay again is great because you can use water to go and smooth and also to go and shape it. Now let's put down some ears. We're going to use our finger just to go and put it into place. And to smooth it out, we can use a metal sculpting tool. You definitely do want to smooth it, and if you don't smooth it and make sure it's connected on both sides, these ears can be extremely fragile. Let's go over to the other side, do the same exact thing, and go and smooth these down. Make sure to do this for both sides. Now, after those are smoothed down, let's go to the front of the capybara, and let's go and make some nostrils. These are just going to be two little lines that are down towards the center of where this nose is going to be. So one line and two line. After about 24 hours, this will be fully dry, so let's go and paint this. We're going to paint the body first, wait for that to go and dry. After it's dried, let's go and paint on some eyes. These are just half circles. Let's paint the nose while that dries. This is a gray that I'm using. Now let's put some little lines onto the body of the capybara. And after that is dried, let's go back to the eyes. We're going to go and outline this with some black. Put a little tiny pupil in the center. And after that has dried, let's go and move over to the nose. After the paint has dried, you can go and seal it, or you can go and leave it as it is. This pencil holder, paintbrush holder, whatever you would like to go and use it for is so much fun to go and make, and it's also extremely cute. Thank you for watching.